It's late at night, way past any decent bedtime hour, and you're still working on that project of yours, right? Constantly seeking coding perfection and trying to master your skills, but you have no idea what the next step in becoming a true pro is. Do you feel lost? You are exactly who we've been looking for. Your skills, ideas, and your absolute drive to be phenomenal. Dope up and join Boost. Boost is a next-generation training program for young talents who are serious about the whole development game. Join an environment specifically designed to turn you into a code monster in just a few months. Go through a carefully refined program while being guided by world-class mentors. A hands-on experience which will challenge you with solo and group projects. Prove yourself and earn an offer to become part of our great team. Work in a world-class company with award-winning products where millions of users will use the software you designed. Join Boost now.